It's 9:47 on this Saturday morning. It's time for Imagine It. Carl Nelson is here from the Imagination Station. Good morning.
Morning.
What are we doing?
Well, this is a really cool thing you can do at home over the holidays.
Okay,
So
I like at-home projects. So
cool
do the parents. Listen up.
at-home activity. We're going to make a lava lamp.
Ooh, yes.
And so
Okay.
it's really easy. The ingredients are basically just some vegetable oil.
Okay, which we have here.
And you can use any kind of container. I've got, if you have a graduated cylinder at home,
Sure,
perhaps,
right.
or a 20-ounce bottle, a 2-liter bottle, you're going to fill it up about 3/4 of the way with oil.
Okay.
And you want to use just the cheapest oil you can find.
Sure.
Okay, no extra virgin olive oil.
Okay,
anything
so
like that.
just your standard vegetable canola. Does canola work too?
Canola will work
Okay.
fine. You just want something that's kind of clear.
All right.
Now, for our lava, we're actually going to use water mixed with a little bit of food coloring.
All
And so
right.
I'm going to let you choose. Would you like red lava or blue lava?
I will have red lava.
Okay. So just go ahead and dump a bunch. Just take the whole,
Oh, okay, the whole
gonna
thing
go,
off?
We're going
All
to
right.
go crazy with the food coloring here.
Okay.
Dump a good dash in there. That's pretty good.
Good? All
That
right.
looks good. And again, you can experiment with this and whatnot.
Sure.
So now go ahead and take that water and with the funnel, go ahead and pour it down inside your container there. And you just want to get maybe an inch or two at the bottom. And the
Okay.
cool physics here that's happening is that
Is that enough or more?
that's pretty good.
Okay.
You can see like the water is flowing down and sinking
Right.
to the bottom. It's more dense than the oil. Or conversely, the oil is, here, blow this one up too.
Okay.
The oil is less dense than the water. And so our lava is going to sink down to the bottom. Now, it's not going to be a very cool lava lamp if the oil or the lava just sits at the bottom.
Sure.
Okay? So our secret ingredient here to get things moving is Alka-Seltzer.
Oh, easy. Another drugstore find.
So Alka-Seltzer you may even have around for the holidays if you overeat or something like that.
Absolutely.
Now, what we're going to do is the Alka-Seltzer is really neat. It has an acid and a base in it. And when you mix it with water, it will start to fizz.
Fizz, right. Okay.
And that fizzing is just carbon dioxide gas, which is being released.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is in our lava lamps, we're going to drop a few little crumbles of the Alka-Seltzer, maybe break it up into 4
Okay.
pieces or so, something like that. We're going to drop those in and go ahead and drop like 4, 5, 6 of them in that one. You can load a few into this one here as well. And what happens is when that carbon dioxide gas starts mixing and releasing, it drags some of the colored water
you start to see
up.
it. Okay.
And then when those little bubbles get to the top, they burst and the droplet
Go
of water
back down?
sinks back down.
Okay.
All right. Now, even cooler is if you have a flashlight.
All right.
Okay. Now you gotta be careful here because the flashlights are a little tippy, but you can actually put your lamp on top, whatever container you're making it
Ooh,
in,
that's cool.
and it'll just keep cycling and cycling. The cool thing too is that over time the Alka-Seltzer will get used up. The bubbles will sink back down, and you can do it again and again and again.
Oh, neat.
We've had some of these at the Science Center we've been using for months. And the one tip you do want to do is if you have a container that's open, leave it open while you're doing the lava lamp action.
Okay.
But when you're done and
Sure.
it's time to
You
put
want
it
to
away,
store it on the counter.
you
All
want
right.
to store it with the lid back on top.
Okay.
Because this is a nightmare of a mess if this spills. Okay.
No, Carl, a 2-liter
2
filled with
liters
oil.
That's right.
All right, well, that's pretty neat. And you know what? I'll tell you what, I think the red is pretty festive. It reminds me of the holidays in some sort of fashion. So I like that. This is an easy one.
Like I said, you can just keep adding more and more of the Alka-Seltzer in. Eventually, you'll get so many tiny little water droplets suspended in there that it'll look kind of crummy. It'll be opaque. So just let it sit for a while.
Okay.
10, 20 minutes. The water will settle back down because it's more dense, and you can start dropping more Alka-Seltzer.
And
in.
this is different than a regular lava lamp. The reason I'm saying that, I look at this and the bubbles are so small compared
Right.
to, you know, the ones that you see in the store. They have the large.
Right, that's like a waxy compound that heats
Okay.
up with the light bulb, and it's got toxic chemicals in it.
Right,
and
so
all.
this is just an all-
This is fun at home. It's really cool. I mean,
Yeah.
in a dark room, it's really cool as well.
Oh, absolutely. Wonderful. Well, that's neat. Well, this is one that you guys can do at home there. So the lava lamp making, you can also see this, I'm sure, down at the Imagination Station from time to time.
Ask any of our team members. We have a bunch in the back, all different colors. We even have some with glitter in them, which is kind of fun too.
Ooh.
So if, you can add other stuff in there as well.
Everything's better with glitter. That's my theory. All right, Carl Nelson, thanks so much for coming in. That's this week's Imagine It. And if you would like to go down to the Imagination Station, they are open today and tomorrow. You guys, are you closed on Christmas Eve?
We are closed on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day.
And Christmas Day. All right, reopening the day after Christmas?
Correct.
All right, sounds good. That's this week's Imagine It. Thanks so much, Carl. Stay right there. We have another check of that forecast as we take a live look outside. And from there, we're also going to go to sports. Stay with us.